Hey guys, new DIY almond milk hair mask for silky hair. Super easy, 3 ingredients, so let's get started. First, you're gonna need obviously your empty bottle. Then you're gonna need your silk almond milk, which has a high amount of vitamin E in it to boost elasticity and shine. Vanilla essential oil for dullness and shine. And of course, you can't forget the aloe vera juice for moisture growth and repair dead cells. So you're going to fill your bottle up to about halfway and put maybe about 2 tablespoons of the almond milk in it. Then you're going to add a couple drops of the vanilla essential oil. And you're going to shake it up. And it should come out looking like this, kind of like a light conditioner. So this was my hair. I actually had crochets in. And make sure you check out my video on how I do hot oil treatments to help grow my hair while it's in protective styles. So, I just always section off in 4 sections. And I'm just going to go ahead and spray my hair here. Okay, so here's the situation. This is not going to activate curls, make your hair curl. It's not for that. This is to help with moisture and shine. So it just... right after taking out your protective styles, you want to kind of add some type of moisture to your hair. And I am doing a wand curl on my hair after this. So I wanted to pop, right? I wasn't sure exactly how it was going to turn out. But after that first twist out, I was like, oh, okay. Got a little moisture to it. Not so bad, right? So you're going to just keep doing smaller sections. I kind of did small to medium sections. I am using a Tangle Teezer brush, which I think is the best brush ever. And you can see right here, I was like, oh yeah, this is definitely it. So of course I kept going. And I want to just say something real quick about hair growth, just to give you a quick tip. You want to make sure that you just loving on your hair. I love my hair. It's grown so much. It's so healthy. It's so full. Just love on it. Put your product in it and just take your hands and rub your hands literally through your hair and just keep massaging your hair. That's just how I grew mine. So optional, you can use some oil. Make sure you get your edges really, really good. You're going to go ahead and take 2 plastic caps. I'm always about the 2 plastic caps and the scarf. And you're going to sleep with this on your head. So it's kind of like a hot oil treatment overnight. And you can check out my page for how I stretch my hair in the shower. I have multiple videos on that. And then this is what it looked like after stretching my hair. And I actually end up doing wand curls on my hair. And that video will be coming soon. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.